Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so get excited. BoxyCharm has something new for the waitlisters that is on the BoxyLuxe waitlist. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button. Make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified you don't miss no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Sometimes I'll go off track and do something different, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which were spoilers for the Ipsy April bag. Congratulations, Summer Breeze Young. Summer says, hi, love. How are you? I'm doing a lot better, Summer. Thank you so much for asking, honey. How have you been doing lately? And thank you so much for coming and watching the video, honey. I really appreciate that. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances getting it. Either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments picked. You never know. Might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Alright guys, so BoxyCharm again has come out with something for anybody that is on the BoxyLuxe wait list. So this is going to be called the BoxyLuxe starter boxes. These are what these are going to be called. Now, what is if you missed out on the BoxyLuxe or whatever for that month, you can always get this option. Now, again, it's called the Luxe Starter Box, and it is a separate box. And this is, again, if you are on the BoxyLuxe wait list. So this will have 4 to 5 of the items from the most recent Luxe box. Say you're on the wait list and you missed the March BoxyLuxe box. You can choose this option and you can get a box that has 4 to 5 of those items that was in that March box. Guarantees your spot on the next BoxyLuxe box that comes out. Now, this box is valued at over $125. Now, this is going to be shipped separately than any box. So, shipping for the Luxe starter box is $5. The billing for the Luxe starter box will take place on 2 separate days. It'll be on Friday, March 20th and Monday, March 30th. Now, an attempt to build charmers on the Luxe wait list will be on both days for the Luxe starter box. So what they're saying is they're going to try to bill you on both days. And again, if you choose this option and you get this box, your spot is absolutely reserved for the next BoxyLuxe box. Now again, it will ship separately from your base box. So members that have joined the Luxe wait list, this usually happens within 48 hours of being billed for the base box. They will receive the Luxe. So let me read what else they got down here. All right, guys. So right here it says members that join Luxe waitlist within 48 hours of being billed for the base box will still receive the BoxyLuxe regular box, not the Luxe starter. So since Luxe Start will kickstart your BoxyLuxe upgrade, you will receive 1 BoxyLuxe on the months moving forward, not 2 separate boxes. It says you will be billed $24.99 for the Luxe starter box. For the months moving forward, you will receive 1 big Luxe box, not 2 smaller ones. Now, what's in the regular BoxyLuxe box? It comes with 8 to 9 beauty and lifestyle items. So instead of 2 separate charges of $24.99 and $25, you should see 1 charge of $49.99. And of course, that's going to have taxes and shipping and all that good stuff. It also says shipping for the Luxe starter box is $5, and that is for charmers outside of the contiguous U.S. state taxes may apply. If you're on a prepaid subscription from before October 1st, 2019, the Luxe cost is an additional $28.99. So I did want to let everybody know about this Luxe starter box. So let me know, are you on the BoxyLuxe wait list? Is this an option that you're wanting to get? Comment below and let me know. Does it sound like a pretty good box? I tried to read everything I could about it, so we'll see. But anyways, guys, as soon as they start revealing anything else, and they have already released these spoilers for the choice items for the April base box, that video should have went up before this one. If you didn't catch it, I'll link it below so you can go check it out. And as always, BoxyCharm's link below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, congratulations, Brandy Lester. Brandy says, love the videos. Well, Brandy, honey, thank you so much. That makes me feel so good to hear that somebody is enjoying my videos. I really appreciate it, girl. I love you. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to get a shout out. And guys, double check, make sure you still subscribe to my channel. You know how YouTube's been taking all my subscribers and unsubscribing them. But if you would double check that. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. One more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would hit your notification bell and make sure that's on. That way you don't miss another upload. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.